Today I'm making 3 Valentine treats that I think you'll enjoy, and each one of these is going to be covered in homemade magic shell. So let's get started. And we'll begin by mixing up a box of instant chocolate pudding. You can use any flavor you like and any size box you like. Just depends on how many you want to make. So let's go ahead and get the pudding mixed up. I have a heart-shaped silicone mold that I'll be using, and I'm not using any non-stick spray or anything like that. I'm simply just spooning the pudding into the little hearts. After I get each heart filled, I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Then I'll take it out and I'll put toothpicks in each of the hearts. And you'll need the toothpicks in there, and you'll see why later. After you get the toothpicks in, put this back in the freezer until frozen solid. While that's freezing, I'm going to go ahead and make the magic shell. And you just need 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, use whatever you like. And 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And be sure that you use refined coconut oil so that there is no coconut taste. There's no flavor in refined coconut oil. Mix the coconut oil and the chocolate chips in together and put that in the microwave and just heat it up at 30-second increments until it's completely melted and mixed well. Now remove the frozen pudding hearts from the silicone mold, and this is why you need the toothpick, so that you can dip these in the magic shell, and it hardens within a few seconds. I'm using styrofoam to stick mine in there so that they get a chance to harden before they lay down. Make sure you completely cover these because this is pudding on the inside, and the magic shell will keep it from running out as it warms up to room temperature when you get ready to serve these. So after you get them all covered, put that back in the freezer and just keep them cold until you're ready to do whatever it is you want to do. Right here, I'm pretending I know a little bit about crafting. I know nothing, but hey, I'm making an effort, and it's kind of cute. So I'm just going to stick all of these in there, and then I'm going to move on to the next treat. I have another silicone mold, and this is just a round shape, and an ice cream scoop, and I'm going to take more of the pudding and just fill each mold as much as I would like. The thicker it is, the longer it's going to take these to freeze. So again, just put these in the freezer for about 15 minutes, bring them out and put some kind of skewer in these, and you may have to reheat the magic shell if it cooled too much and became solid. So that's not a problem, just reheat it. Then go ahead and dip these round discs into the magic shell, completely covering them. Again, it just takes a few seconds to harden. Put those back in the freezer, and let's move on to the third treat. And this, I'm using strawberry yogurt. I'm filling each heart with a spoonful of the yogurt. Again, I'm freezing that for about 15 minutes, bringing it out, putting the toothpicks in. After they're frozen, I'll pop those out and dip those in the magic shell. I did have to reheat the magic shell for just a few seconds. And as you can see, these pop right out. So I've got all of these done, and I'm cutting this one open there so that you can see the strawberry yogurt inside. These are really good. Also, any leftover magic shell you have, just put in a jar with a lid and store that in the refrigerator. And you will reheat that to reuse it. So thanks for stopping by. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you next time.